Hi everyone, good day. My client just bought a second-hand Prado. Before he's going to use, he let PRS modify the unit. The first thing we do on this unit, we replace the brakes to AP Racing big brake kit. This is the radical one. This is the front. And this is the back. And then we installed WALD rims. 20-inch WALD with BF Goodrich KO2 tires. And also we replaced all the bulb interior to LED and also the exterior light to LED also. And as you know, second-hand cars is not clean as brand new. So we detail the interior of the unit. This is how clean every details matter at PRS. Degrime the ceiling. We remove the carpet, the seats. It's like brand new out from the factory. See how bright the beige color. Before, this is not this color. It's very dark and the interior also is very smelly. Right now, it's very, how do you call that? Nice to smell. And also, for the tint, we replace it to BF Ceramic Supreme Plus. This is the top of the line on BF with 99% heat rejection. We're done with the interior. The last step right now, we're doing degrime all the dirt from the edge, and we're removing all the scratches. These are our products we're using. We're polishing the car. So that when the client going to use the unit, it's like brand new. This is almost done. This is our second coat of polishing. After that, we're going to apply sealant on the unit. Also on this light, we also replace the fog to LED white. The stock is LED already, but the high beam, the client chooses yellow. Okay. If you're interested with our services here, feel free to message me here. And please subscribe and like my YouTube channel. By the way, see the stands. And also, before I forgot, we install leveling spacer on the front. Because the stock of the Prado is a little bit nose drop. So right now, this is level already. We install a little spacer, coil spacer on the front. Okay. Please subscribe and like my YouTube channel at PRS CAR ACCESSORIES and Services. By the way, no to fake wheels and upgrade. Get your authentic product here at PRS. Bye!